Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will let to show you the way how to delete the finished project on your Capcut application. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Capcut application and make sure that you are stand in this edit section. And in this edit section there will be shown here the projects that you have on your Capcut application, and you can just choose which project that you already finished editing. So if you want to delete it, you can do either go click these three small dots over here and go click delete, or you can also do in the shortest way by just slide the project here into the left side, and there will be activate or pop up the delete button, and then you just need to go click it and confirm it. So that's the way how to delete the projects that you already finished on the Capcut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and we'll see you for the next video.